Is your dog a bit of a lush? Do they appreciate the finer things in life? Well, Hotels.com is in search of a discerning dog to travel around the world reviewing hotels. The company is currently looking for any dog with a bubbly bark who loves living the high life to enter their contest worth several nights in hotels around the world. But why do they need your pet's animal analysis? Senior Director of Hotels.com's parent company, Liz Oakman, told Metro, "Our hunt for a Canine Critic is our way of ensuring our pet-friendly hotels really are up to scratch, with a four-legged expert's paw of approval. And the winner of the sweepstakes gets 10 vouchers to pet-friendly hotels worth up to $200 each. To enter, just upload a photo of your pup to Instagram with hashtag Canine Critic and start following Hotels.com. Entries close on August 25th. And while they don't require you to do the math on how old your dog is in people years, you have to be 18 years or older to enter. So toss out that pup tent and give your fancy dog the posh lifestyle you've both been dreaming of."